And 91 says, subject to paragraph 5, no member shall refer to any particular matter which is sub judice or which by the operation of any written law is secret. We delete secret. It's no longer a secret question, it is sub judice. And the honorable members of MERU County Assembly defined what sub judice is in sub rule 2. A matter shall be considered to be sub judice when it refers to an active criminal or civil proceedings and the discussion of such matter is likely to prejudice its fair determination. The wisdom of the members of the County Assembly said they will never touch any matter that is before a competent court of law. The reasons Parliament came up to that reason is that any determination before the Assembly is likely to prejudice a decision before the courts of law. And in the wisdom of Parliament, they extended it to cover both criminal and civil. These honorable members of Parliament of the County Assembly went in paragraph 3 to say, in determining whether a criminal or civil proceeding is active, the following shall apply. Very detailed. 1. 3A.
NYAMIRA TV. Magic has hit your imagination of TV. A brand new Vitron TV with StarTimes Inside technology. New TV innovation with an inbuilt decoder that connects you to both StarTimes antenna and satellite signal. With StarTimes Inside Vitron TV, you can enjoy over 200 local and international channels. 1 month StarTimes highest bouquet for free. Automatic system update. More benefits, more affordable. StarTimes Inside Vitron TV is available in all StarTimes branches and dealers countrywide. StarTimes Inside. Entertainment inbuilt. StarTimes. Enjoy digital life. Oreigwa nkume ya Kenya Airlift Program kanyagaka no mwanka withro orina grade ya C+ gwitia kire KCSE na second class honors kire degree ya university. Airliftprogram.com. Obisi chiaturi Royal Business Park 4th floor Njorincheke Street, Meru Town. Turingeredi moko kurukira 0703 509 493. The Kenya Airlift Program. Passion led us here. NYAMIRA TV.
Under sentence or discontinuance, have the people charged been convicted and they are at committee prison? Did the director of public prosecution discharge them by withdrawing under section 87A? The proceedings are still on. That is a fact well known to everybody. Third, Mr. Speaker, sir, on the civil proceedings, it shall be deemed to be active when arrangements for hearing, such as setting down a case for trial, having been made until the proceedings are ended by judgment or discontinuance. Today, before I came to this honorable house, were before the Court of Appeal. A judgment or a ruling is coming out on Friday. over the same issues that are before this honorable house? Do we close our eyes? The governor has been charged for contravention of the law. The governor's allegation are an allegation of abuse of the Constitution. The governor's allegation against her are based on law. Do we ourselves close our ears from following the law? And we say we must defend the law against the governor, but the law cannot be enforced against us. Members of the county assembly, that is the question before the speaker and before you. Number D, appellate proceedings like the one we were today, whether criminal or civil, shall be deemed to be active from the time when they are commenced by an application for leave to appeal or by notice of appeal until the proceedings are ended by judgment or discontinued. The law as you passed it says an appellate appeal either from a magistrate's court or from a high court to the court of appeal or from a court of appeal to the Supreme Court binds this assembly. Now the burden on the governor is on number 4. That whoever alleges, a member alleging that a matter is sub judice, shall provide evidence to show that paragraph 2 and 3 are applicable. We shall table all the cases that are alive in court, and those cases are touching all the 7 counts that the governor is facing. That in itself, in the question of law, is a preliminary objection on the question of law. Once that question is determined, I'll pack to leave to NYAMIRA, or I'll continue with the submission. Because if a question of law has been raised, a preliminary objection of law, that these proceedings, there is no jurisdiction to entertain this matter. Because the matters are active in a court of law. Then we reconstitute ourselves and close our ears and close our eyes and see. A good case you have against the governor being thrown out at technicalities. Reconsider and let the matters be determined, that those matters that are in the High Court, let those matters in the Magistrates' Court be determined, let those matters in the Court of Appeal be determined. Bring a proper motion, remove your governor, because that is your right. It cannot be taken away by anybody. It is protected by 55 million Kenyans who passed the Constitution on the 27th of August 2010. It goes further and says in paragraph 5, notwithstanding the standing order, the Speaker may allow reference to a matter before the House or a committee. The Speaker can only have a reference or a citation. So the question I'm pushing